Still running your campus on outdated manual processes? Let's explore a much smarter way to operate.
All that paperwork just creates more work and, frankly, leaves you blind to what's really happening. These issues aren't just inefficient, they're a real security risk that creates chaos across your campus. This is where SFDP comes in. Think of it as the digital backbone for your entire campus operation.
Okay, let's dive in. First up, SFDP completely digitizes how you manage visitors and parents.
This means controlled access, a professional first impression, and much better security for everyone on campus.
And it doesn't stop at the gate. SFDP gets rid of all those paper registers campus-wide.
Just imagine no more paperwork. Instead, you get instant, secure access to all your digital records. Now for a huge one, campus safety. SFDP gives you real-time geolocation tracking for security patrols. So now you have actual proof that patrols are happening, which is a massive boost for safety.
Got multiple campuses? SFDP brings it all together, giving you one single, powerful view of everything. You can scale your operations easily without piling on more administrative work. It's that simple. Okay, so let's talk about the bottom line. What's the real return on your investment here?
The ROI is crystal clear. You'll save time, boost security, and get way more accountability across the board.
This is a huge shift. You're moving from manual work to smart, proactive, data-driven operations. When operations run this smoothly, your team can finally focus on what really matters: education. So what could your institution achieve with truly seamless operations? That's the real question. Ready to stop letting outdated processes hold you back? Reach out and let's talk about your campus.